I'll guide you through how to use Todoist for beginners. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the Todoist website. You can either log in or click Start for free. Choose to continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple. After logging in, look to the left sidebar. You'll find features like Search, Inbox, Upcoming, Filters and Labels, and a section for completed tasks. Next, go to My Projects. Click the plus icon, then select Add Project. Type your project name and choose your preferred project color. Set the workspace and, if needed, select a parent project. You can also check Add to Favorites. Now choose the layout, either list, board, or calendar, depending on how you want to organize your tasks. Then click Add. To start adding tasks, click Add Task, and a new task field will appear. Here you can type your task title. Once done, click Add Task again to save it. If you want to break it down, add subtasks under each main task. On the right side of the task, you can manage the due date, priority, labels, and even set reminders. To customize the entire project, click the 3 dots beside your project name. From here, you can explore available templates, choose to email your tasks, or import existing tasks. And that's it.